Hey, this is Holly with Slay Math. I'm gonna do some trig showing you where to put the triangle according to the quadrants. Okay, we're going to determine what quadrant the trig function is going to be according to these indications. So whenever it says the sine is greater than 0, right here, the cosine is x and the sine is y. So that means that the y value is positive. The cosine less than 0, cosine is x, that means the x value is negative. So that means when I put it in a coordinate, it's negative comma positive. So what quadrant has negative positive? It's quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, counterclockwise. And these are the signs, just like if you're plotting a point. I go up, go to right and up is positive, positive. Left, up is negative, positive. So this would be quadrant 2. So sine is less than 0, which means the y value is negative. The tangent is less than 0. So let's think about that. The tangent is sine over cosine. So whenever the tangent is positive, the signs are going to be the same. Whenever tangent is negative, the signs are going to be different. So if y is negative and the tangent is negative, that means I need a positive cosine. So x has to be positive, because a negative times a positive is a negative, which is less than 0. So when I put that in order, x comma y plus minus. So I look over here, and it is in quadrant 4. The cosine is greater than 0. That means my y is a positive. The cotangent has the same rules as the tangent. So if the cotangent's negative, that means I have different signs. So if y is positive, x has to be negative, because cosine's negative because it's less than 0. Sorry, my light went out. So this is in XY order. It's negative comma positive. I'll look to see what quadrant that's in, and it's in quadrant 2. So if the secant is negative, the secant is 1 over the cosine. So that means that the x is negative. Less than 0 is negative. Greater than 0 is positive. The tangent is greater than 0. So when we look in this box, the tangent's positive, which is greater than 0. The signs are the same. So if x is negative, y has to be negative. Negative comma negative, and that is in quadrant 3.